Richards from Trim Tutorials, and I am creating a new course on Algebra 1. In this video, I will be covering algebra need. So, let's roll the clip.
Okay, so let's go over the definition of algebra. Algebra is a type of mathematics in which numbers and quantities are represented by expressions and formulas. If you're wondering what exactly I mean by that, let's go over a real-life example. The vendor makes a 50% profit margin on a box of strawberries which cost $5. Let's try to represent this as an algebraic expression. So, the 0.5 profit margin we can represent as 0.5 multiplied by 5 plus 5. This 0.5 multiplied by 5 is for the 50% profit margin, and since it's a profit margin, we also have to add the base price to it. So, this would be equal to 7.5, but for our purposes, we're just going to write P for the price. Now let's say that the vendor started taking a 50% profit margin on everything that he sold. That means that we could simplify this expression to x. This x I'm using as a variable representing the item cost, because if he's taking a 50% profit margin on everything that he's selling, that means the stuff that he's selling would be outputted as P through this formula. But if we wanted to simplify this formula, then we could write 1.5x. Let me just write the new line. 1.5x is equal to P. This x can also be written as 1x, and this is 0.5x. So this can be simplified to 1.5x. So, this essentially is an algebraic expression. Let's move on to example number 2. A retailer sells the exact same product with, say, another 50% profit margin with a $2 shipping fee. So let's break this up. So first we'll do the profit margin, then the shipping fee. So the 50% profit margin, and then the $2 shipping fee. So if we take our value of x and plug it in here, we will use our 0.5 just like we did. And this is multiplied by 1.5x. And this will be plus 1.5x because it is the base cost. So this is just like we did earlier. And this will be equal to our retailer price. So if we try to simplify this, let's start with this part. This would be equal to 0.75x, and it's going to be plus 1.5x is equal to our retailer price. So this is equal to 2.25x is equal to our retailer price. So now let's take our $2 shipping fee. So the shipping fee would be added on top of this 2.25x. So this would be 2.25x plus 2, and we'll say it's our consumer price. So this essentially is an algebraic expression, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hi everybody, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the button down below to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.